So what I can also do is I can reformat text using ChatGPT. So for that, first of all, let me just go around and generate a text. So I'm just going to go around and say write a paragraph graph regarding computer system right here, just like this, and press enter. So once I do that, what happens is that it'll generate out this content, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So now what I'm going to go around and do is I'm going to go around and copy this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and say like reformat the text and highlight the important words in this paragraph right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and do that and provide the paragraph, and what happens is that it reformats the text, as you can see, and highlights out the important words, as you can see right here. So what I can also do is I can reformat the text by using HTML as well. So I'm just going to go around and say write this text in HTML format, give it a title in red color, and for the main body text, make sure the highlighted words are green. So just like this, this is what you have. And add a background color as well. So let me just go around and do that and press enter. So once I do that, what happens is that it goes around and takes this particular text right here and then reads it out as, let's say for example, you can see an HTML document. So you can see that there's important and green right here, and just like this you can see that it written out this in the paragraph tag right here. You can see that it is generating around over here, just like this. So it is generating out this particular text as an HTML document, and it'll finish it out in a moment right here. So you can see that it is still generating right here, just like this. And now you can see that it has completed generating right here. So it generated it out right here. So it says this is the HTML code that sets the title of the document to computer systems in red color and highlights important words in the main body text with green color, and the background color of the document it chose to be light gray. So let me just go around and copy out this code, and then I'm going to take an application like Notepad and paste out this content right here. Go to File, and then I'm going to go to Save As, and then in my desktop I'm going to select all files. Just leave the encoding to UTF-8, and then over here I'm going to go around and say formatting dot HTML right here. I'm going to make sure that the extension is HTML and click on save. So once I do that in my desktop, you can see this. So let me just go around and open it, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now you can see that I have the background gray and so forth, but it didn't actually show the title, but you can see that this is what you have. So let me just go around and open it out around over here, and you can see that it opens up in other browsers just like this as well. It didn't show the title right here because the title is in the top right here, as you can see right here. So now this is what you can do, as you can see, and then reformat out the text like by bolding it right over here right within the chat, or to format it even further you can go around and then generate an HTML code for it. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.